so now from the morning meeting area, we're going to see Dwayne, who's our quality manager, and see what his favorite improvements are. Hey Dwayne.
Hey Martijn.
How's it going?
How are you doing? Good.
Yeah? Good. So Dwayne's been with us now?
7 years, yeah.
And it's been a hell of a ride.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So what are some of your favorite improvements?
Well, the most improvement, what I like is the lean journey we took.
Yeah.
Especially eliminating waste, excess processing. What does it all mean? At the beginning, we had mounters that we had a lot of work on.
Machines.
Yeah. With eliminating waste, standardization, we now into such a point that we have mounters straight out of the box, which is really great.
We used to have a lot of extra work on those machines, also here in the factory in the Netherlands.
Exactly,
yeah.
But with our standardization process, with acceptance lists, checklists, everything what we set up, we eliminate a lot of waste, transportation, and now in a way that we have mounters straight out of the box.
Yeah.
Also 3S, which I really like. Yeah, behind you, Martijn, we have our quality toolboard. 3S, sweep, sort, and standardize. Just quickly identify which tools you need, place them on the board, and then you can exactly identify which tools are missing, or you can even place more tools if needed.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you.
All right.
That was good job. Take care. See you later.